Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel Snath Online Classes. Today once again I am Vidyasagar is present in front of class 8 to discuss subject science, in which I am going to discuss chapter 3 metal and non-metals, in which I am going to discuss about the different allotropic forms of carbons. So please like the channel, share and subscribe it. In this lectures I am going to discuss other allotropic forms of carbon rather than graphite and diamonds. So please concentrate on the video. Here I have discussed different types of allotropic forms of carbon. So first of all I am going to discuss about coal. Let us look here. Coal is a crude form of carbon and obtained as a result of slow decomposition of vegetable matters under the influence of heat present and limited supply of air. It is found in four forms as peat, lignite, bituminous and anthracites. Peat contains 30 to 40% of carbon and lignite contains 70% of carbon. Bituminous contains 80% of carbon, where anthracite contains 95% of carbon. And the usage of coal is it is used as a fuel and in the manufacturing of synthetic petrol. So here I have written it is used as fuel and synthetic petrol. Now another forms of allotropic forms of carbon is coke. It is obtained from the destructive distillations of coal. It is 100% carbon and used as a reducing agent in the extractions of iron and other metals oxides. Now animal charcoal. It is obtained from the heating animal bones and in the limited supply of air. It has only 10% of carbon and the rest is calcium phosphate. It is absorbed coal. It is used to absorb coal smells and colored matter from the solutions. And the next, wood charcoal. Wood charcoal is obtained from the hard heating of the wood in the limited supply of air. It contains 95 to 98% of carbon and it is used as reducing agents in the manufacturing in making gas mask. And now sugar charcoal. Sugar charcoal is obtained from the hard heating of sugar. It is called as charring of sugar. When sugar is heated, then 12 carbon atoms and 11 water molecules forms. It is called as sugar charcoal. It is used as reducing agent. And now lamp black. Lamp black is the another forms of allotropic forms of carbon. It is obtained from the burning of carbon rich iron in the limited supply of air. And in homes, kajal is obtained by depositing the soot on the metal sheet by burning vegetable oil. It has 99% of carbon and silky appearance because same oil is present in it. Usage of lamp black. Lamp black is used. Carbon black is used in tire industries in making polish, printer ink, black paint and copper carbon papers. So these are the uses of lamp black. Now what is the usage of graphite? Graphite, one thing I should revise it. Graphite is used as a pencil because papers on the paper it can leave the marks, black mark like lead on rubbing on paper. It is also called black lead or plumbago because it leaves a black mark on paper. Graphite has uniplanar layers consisting of 6 carbon atoms hexagonally arranged benzene rings, and the different layers are held together loosely by weak van der Waals forces. Graphite contains van der Waals forces of attractions, so its materials is loosely packed, its elements is loosely packed. That's why it can leave the marks on the paper. That's why we use it as a pencil. So these are the things we have discussed in this chapter. Now this is the completions of lessons 3. In the next day I shall discuss about the solutions of the remaining questions. So whatever given in the understanding the text. So please understood all the things whatever I have discussed. In the next video I shall meet again. Till that I want to say goodbye. Thank you. See you.